umaga, nagtaktak ako. Madami nangyayari. Naligaw ako. Hindi ko pang aksidente. Madaming pitik. At itong experience na to ay memorable sa akin dahil first time ko pumunta sa Antipolo. Enjoy! I'm lost in EDSA.
Commonwealth na mga boss! Ako lang pala, Quezon City Circle pala. Dahil naligaw tayo, ibisita tayo sa UP, di ba? Okay, dito naman kami sa Metro Manila. Universidad sa Pilipinas.
Should I use to find
Gawin na,
joy?
UP.
Losing my image quality. What would I have done with that?
Damn, the sunrise is cool, bro. Ganda.
Digital camera picture my grief. What format should I use to find joy? Losing my image quality. What would I have done with that internet? I got a digital camera picture.
Galing. Ang galing, guys. It's been a while since nag-bike ako dito. Medyo nakakamiss, boy. Ganda ba naman? Damn! Look at that, bro. I'm locally vlogging. Hindi ko alam kung nagbablog ba ako o hindi. Bahala kayo dyan. Hindi nyo naman ako kilala. Okay, fun is over. Diretso na tayo sa Antipolo. Ayan na, guys. Ayan na. Sabi sa akin ni Google Maps, Katipunan Avenue na raw tayo. Sige, ikaw na bahala sa akin. Ayan. Dami cars. Marcos Highway na, boss. SM Marikina. Damn. I'm lost in Marikina. I'm lost everywhere. Hindi ko na alam saan ako dadaan. Pero sige, masiklis na naman. By the way, good morning, guys. Umaga na. Shoutout sa mga di pa natutulog. Let's go 200 km. Bahala ka na. Amen. Ganda ng daan dito sa Marcos Highway, boy. Siguro masarap tumira dito. Dito na lang kaya ako titira. Yun ako. Actually, ang dami din nagbabike, guys. Wala akong... May kasabay ako kahit wala akong kasama. Sabi guys, ang ganda ng sunrise. Siguro maganda itong umaga na to. Yes. Nasa natin si Moshi. Wala pa rin ano. So maganda siya guys, sobra. Tulong na guys. 9 km ata naahon to. Maalala ko. Grabe din pala ahon dito, kala ko pwede na. Medyo lang pala. Yan.
Down in the hole again. I cannot remember what my life was like.
Somewhere in Sumulong. Sumulong. Yeah, Sumulong.
It's been a few since I got on my bike. Do you know the way you get right back to what the day you like? Do you?
Ito, patarik ulit ng patarik ah. Suzuki.
Like a pencil drawn line, the race is too close behind, so it starts. Are you asleep, my friend? 'Cause I ain't been awake as much as I have done.
Ang grabe nga yung surprise na yun. Grabe yan.
To explain all of these years I've got. Do you ever snap right out of it? This psychosis. Do you know the way you stop the bore? Like way back when before.
Ay, Mairit. Antipolo Cathedral. Ganyan, tapos na yung misa guys. Ganda dito guys. Rizal, Antipolo Rizal. Ako saan ako pupunta eh? Taktakali? Taktak-Podium ba yun? Or diretso tayo ng Marikina Riverbanks? Wala na. Taktakali. Yeah. See you there. Talaga dito 10 out of 10 for me. 10 out of 10.
You've always been so charming. You're such a deep breath, and you drive me crazy. Like red,
Guys, iya ako guys.
but now I call you baby. So I made the right call. You're in my blood, you got my love. You're all that I could ask from anyone. You're in my head, you're on my mind. I think about you all the time, like all the time. You are my crush, you are my muse. The only one I couldn't share, I couldn't lose. You got my love, you got my heart. I just don't wanna fall
Tama guys.
I got a whole new belief. Next to you, I'm changing.
Sabi ng babae kanina, puta vlogger.
And you got me right on, like right to my core. Yeah, you make me wild, and still I need more. You're in my blood, you got my love. You're all that I could ask from anyone. You're in my head, you're on my mind. I think about you all the time, like all the time. You are my crush, you are my muse. The only one I couldn't share, I couldn't lose. You got my love, you got my heart. I just don't wanna fall
Hindi ko alam yung ginawa ko pero ahunin natin yung pabalik lahat. Layo. Tagaktak pawis sa taktak. Walang ya. Anyways. Tara. Marikina River Park. Riverbanks. Ano, tara? Tara. See you again, Antipolo. Ang susunod na pagmumuli. Wow, ano daw?
You know I'm getting so since I'm looking for the man to shut my heart. I don't know about you.
So yun na nga, sa kabutihang palad ay tayo ay nakarating sa Marikina River Banks, River Park. Sa kabila yata yun, kasi dito ginagawa excavator. Actually di na ako nakapag-video kanina, masyadong traffic. Hindi ko kaya. By the way, ang ganda dito sa Marikina. Galing na ako dito dati. Bumalik lang ako kasi namiss ko tong church na to. Yeah. Ito lang tatapusin. Gabat na ako eh. Naubusan pa ng data, paload pa. So, ayun. That's my adventure. Naligaw, umahon na kumahon. Hindi ka lang kung saan pupunta. Yeah, see you at home guys. Tagal, 80 seconds yung kanina eh. Pwede nga rin.
So yun nga guys, di ko nagawa yung 200 km ride, but I do achieve my second longest ride, which is 150 km ride, Bulacan to Antipolo to Bulacan, balikan. And hindi na rin ako masyadong nakapag-take ng video kasi medyo palubat na ako nun and medyo ma-traffic din. And ayoko i-risk yung phone ko kasi baka ma-snatch. Yeah, and ayun, sobrang init, nakakalaspag yung araw. And it was like 38 degrees out there if I'm not mistaken. Safe and sound, nakauwi naman tayo. So, I hope you enjoy my little journey to Antipolo. And see you on my next one.